So I have the JBL Live 670NC. Now, what's the difference between the live version and the tune version? Well, think about it as if you're buying a car. You're at Honda, you're looking at Honda Civics. There's a base model and then there's a higher trim model. The JBL Live series is the higher trim model. Let me break it down for you real quick. This is the JBL Live 670NC. It comes with a USB-C cable, 3.5 audio cable, quick start guide, warranty card, JBL bag to put it in, cloth all the way around, just like that. JBL logo on the top. The padding goes all the way around as well. And yes, it is labeled left and right. Ear cups, they feel all right. USB-C with LED indicator on the right side, ANC button, ANC controls with LED indicator, Bluetooth button, microphone, 3.5 audio, volume rocker with play and pause, and your power button way up here that you slide. In my opinion, that's probably too many buttons, to be honest with you. It does stretch out quite a bit. They fold in. On the ends here, there is some metal in there, so that's a very nice touch. It says live on the sides here. And as we go up for the head adjustment, there's a few arrows here on the nice metallic looking metal here. Looking inside the app, as you can see, we have 90% battery life, and diving right into the ambient sound controls, talk through, ambient aware, noise cancellation. Of course, if you want to customize your ANC, well, there you go. You want to personalize your headphones with sound? There it is right there. More on that later, just a little bit. You have an EQ here with a few presets, but you also have a custom EQ as well. I believe it's up to 10 bands. Now, if you're listening to your music at a low volume, then you might want to use the low volume dynamic EQ. It's going to improve the sound when you listen to it at a low volume. Spatial audio, if you want to use that feature, a little bit more on that later. All your gestures, whether it's this the action button or the touch panel, they got you covered there. If you're using that voice aware, this is going to be that little meter bar for you. Smart audio, play pause, personal sound amplification. More information. Oh, here we go. Voice assistance, if you're going to use that. Protect your hearing with a limiter here. And of course, if you need any more support, it's going to be right there. No cap recap, JBL Live 670NC. These headphones come in at around $129. Now, you can pick them up on sale for around $99. When I got these, that's what they cost, around $99. They were on sale, it was on Amazon. These headphones are packed with features, some really good features too. I did the tuning for my ears, and I'll put it up on screen so you can check that out. It actually made the headphones sound a lot better. Regarding comfort, I was good. Now my head isn't, I don't know, as wide. I think if you have a wider head, this space right here might get a little tight for you as you wear these. Because as you see it, when I pull them, it gets wider, but up here, I don't know, it definitely hugs your head a bit. I wasn't uncomfortable, but I think some people might say that they felt some discomfort over a period of time. So you'll have to check that out for yourself, see if you're comfortable or not. These headphones are Bluetooth 5.3, and you get the voice assistant with these, so you can pair it up with Alex or Google. Now, these headphones have true adaptive noise cancellation, but I think this was one of the weak points of the headphones, to be honest with you. For the price, I was expecting a little more, expected to block out more things, but I mean, overall, it was just similar to some of the headphones that I've reviewed on this channel before that aren't in this price range. So I was a little disappointed with the ANC on these headphones. One more thing I like about the ANC modes is that you can actually access them when you're using the 3.5 cable, which is really nice because there's a lot of headphones that once you plug in that 3.5 cable, you don't get any of the ANC features, whether it's the adaptive noise cancellation or the pass-through, talk-through, whatever you want to call it, ambient. You don't get any of them, but with these, you get access to some of them, so that's great. Also, the spatial audio, I didn't hear too much of a difference myself when testing the music. So I don't know, is that a gimmick thing or not, but it just wasn't a major improvement or anything like that. Battery life is great. That is in the great category. And if you do need to charge it, it only takes 5 minutes of charging for 4 hours of playtime. So you can't beat that. ANC on, that's 50 hours of playtime. With ANC off, it's about 65 hours of playtime. Build quality, I love the build quality on these. I think they're great looking headphones, and JBL actually definitely spent some time putting some nice touches on these headphones. I know the tuned version is a lot more plastic, and if you're going to be using these for working out or anything like that, then actually I recommend the JBL Tune 670 NC over the live version, because if you're going to have all that sweat and doing physical things, then I think that version with all the plastic on it would be a better choice versus with these, with all this cloth and stitching here. This is more for a luxury, chill, I'm listening to my music type thing. A few more features to mention. I told you, fam, these had a lot of features. Multi-connection with Bluetooth, so you can pair to multiple devices, at least 2. Hands-free calling. Calls did sound good, so definitely can make some calls with these. Auto play and pause. So if you have them on listening to music, you can set up to where once you take your headphones off, the music will automatically stop. And last but not least, touch controls. My only complaint with touch controls is there's no volume options for touch control. That would have been sweet. If JBL would have added that, would have been perfect with touch controls. But at least you get the option of touch controls or physical controls. I have one more sound test for you at the end of this video. It's a hip hop sound test. If you haven't already, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Amazon affiliate link down below. Until next time, I'm Dave Banter. We out.
My life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to